I decided to come to Hip Hop Don't Stop because it's a place to like chill and like you can just dance and just be in your element, and that's why I wanted to come. The atmosphere at Hip Hop Don't Stop is just like a family vibe. Everyone cheers each other on and like nobody makes you feel uncomfortable or judged. Beneficial, chilling and inspiring. What have you got to lose? It's a good experience. It's somewhere to learn and you're learning while you're having fun. You can make friends and it's just a place to just be yourself, really.